Assalamualaikum everyone, it's Mr. Tech Fox back with another quick Windows guide. Today I'll show you how to manually check for Windows updates to keep your system secure and running smoothly. And if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing. Alright, here's what you will do. First, open up settings by clicking on the Start menu and selecting Settings. Once you are here, select Update and Security. Now click on Check for Updates. Windows will start searching for the latest updates available for your device. If it finds any updates, you will see an option to install them right here. This is especially useful if you want to make sure you are up to date with the latest security patches or new features. And remember, some updates may require a restart, so make sure you save any open work before continuing. And that's it. A quick way to keep your PC secure and optimized. If this helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips from Mr. Tech Fox. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.